Good day, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube video. And here we have our system prototype for our cloud computing project, which is a scheduling and grade management system. So here you can see the landing page of the system, and then we can log in through the login page. As you can see, there are demo credentials created for testing. Yeah. So we will use the admin and wait, and here we have the security verification to verify that you are a human and not a bot. So let's try it and then sign in. So here we get redirected to the admin dashboard. As you can see, it doesn't have much data. So let's go to the students page, and as you can see, you can add a new student, um, view a current student, and then edit or update a student, and you can also delete an existing student. And here you can see we have a filter to filter what you want to filter and what you want to find.
Data encryption security panel ISU admin encryption key status active key. The system is currently protecting sensitive data. Key age a fresh key was just generated. Algorithm globally trusted encryption method. Consider a military grade. Key length 256 bits very strong, making brute force attacks practically impossible. This shows the system is using modern encryption standards to secure information. Protected data, 3 user accounts, 1 student record, 1 faculty record. These records are encrypted, meaning personal details are locked away and unreadable without the key. Security features, password hashing by scripts, compose passwords so they can't be reversed. CSRF protection stop malicious requests from hijacking user sessions. SQL injection prevents blocks hackers from manipulating the database. Session security keeps login safe. Input sanitation cleans user input to prevent exploits. Together, these features form layers of defense against common cyber attacks. Backup overview. One total backup. The system is currently has one saved backup file. Latest backup shows how much data was captured in the most recent backup. Last backup May 11 timestamp of when the last backup was created. This section gives administrator a quick snapshot of the system backup health. A create new backup, a text box allows admins to add a description. Example, daily backup, pre-update backup, end of semester backup. A green button label create backup now generates a full database backup instantly. This ensures that before any major update or change, data can be safely stored and restored if needed. Analytics and reports dashboard reports types available. Overview student courses, faculty enrollment schedules, grading, generated stamp timestamp shows when the report was last created. Print preview button allows exporting or printing reports for official use. This section is essentially the data monitoring hub for the institution. Activity log purpose this displays all user activities in the system, helps administrators audit options like logins, updates, or change to records, provides transparency and accountability by showing who did what and when. Think of it was the security camera footage of the system, but in text form. Advanced filters, the panel includes powerful filtering tool, data range narrow logs to a specific day's active action type. Choose which action to review. Example, login, update, delete, user role filter by admin, faculty, student, etc. Select specific account, search username, quickly find activity for one person, rows limit, control how many entitles load to once, example 1000 rows. These filters make easy to pinpoint specific events without scrolling through thousands of records.